Hey tea enthusiasts! Today we're delving into the world of chai tea to explore its potential health benefits. Join us as we uncover the secrets of this aromatic and flavorful beverage and learn why it's becoming a favorite among wellness enthusiasts. The potential health benefits of chai tea, highlighting its antioxidant properties, ability to aid digestion, and potential to boost heart health. It also explores the ingredients commonly found in chai tea, such as black tea, spices like cinnamon and ginger, and milk or dairy alternatives. Chai tea is not only delicious, but also packed with health-promoting compounds. Its blend of spices and black tea offers antioxidant protection, while the addition of ginger and cinnamon may support digestion and reduce inflammation. Plus, the warm and comforting nature of chai tea makes it a perfect choice for relaxation and stress relief. So next time you're craving a cozy and nourishing beverage, consider reaching for a cup of chai tea. With its delightful flavors and potential health perks, it's a delicious way to support your well-being and indulge in a moment of relaxation.